Mushroom miso soup with grilled bok choy is what's on the menu tonight for dinner. And let me show you guys how to make this super easy and quick weeknight dinner that is sure to fill up everyone in your family. And it smells amazing, it makes your house smell good, tastes delicious, and it comes together in less than an hour. Into my pot right over here, let's add in some vegetable oil and let's get that heated up on a nice high flame. To that, I'm gonna add in a diced onion and some diced celery, ginger, garlic into there as well, and get those sauteing away. While that's cooking away, let's just slice up some shiitake mushrooms. You can use any type of mushroom you like. I really like shiitake for this, but any wild mushroom will work. Now let's add our mushrooms into the pot and saute those as well for about 5 more minutes. Now to our pot, I'm gonna add in 6 cups of chicken broth straight into there. And now to flavor it, we are going to add in some soy sauce. We're gonna add in some mirin, which is Chinese cooking wine. And we are also gonna add in the all-important ingredient miso. Now you may notice we're not adding in that much miso, it's just about a tablespoon, but it is super duper powerful and will flavor, whoa, got a little too excited there. And it will flavor the entire soup along with everything else. So now let's bring this to a boil and stir it all together. Now, to prepare the bok choy in a little bowl, I'm going to combine some vegetable oil with some more of that miso paste and just mix that together until fully combined. Right over here, we have a baby bok choy. This is what it looks like. What you're going to want to do is you're going to take off the leaves. Now, I just so happen to have a bunch of leaves already done and washed and dried. And now what we're going to do is we are going to take a food brush, brush it into this miso mixture, and we are going to brush all the leaves with the miso to give them tons of great flavor. I finished coating our bok choy, and now I have a grill pan that has been preheating, and let's place them onto there, and we're gonna grill them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. The tops of the leaves will wilt a bit, but that is totally fine. We wanna get some nice charred marks on there, which will add great flavor to the soup. All right, our bok choy has gone nice and charred. I'm gonna add this straight into our soup. If you'd like, you can cut it up into smaller pieces, but I like to have nice big chunks of bok choy in my soup. That's all in there. And I'm also gonna add in 2 cups of shredded chicken. You could just boil the chicken, or you could use a rotisserie chicken. Get that all in there. And now we're gonna let this boil for about, not boil, sorry. We're gonna let this simmer for about half an hour to really develop the flavor, thicken a little bit, and then it's eating time. The soup is now done. Let's just spoon it into a bowl. We want to get the broth, we want to get the chicken, we want to get the bok choy, everything in there. So right up here I have some boiled ramen noodles. You can use really any type of noodle that you would like. Let's get that in there. All right, and now let's just quickly slice up a chive to put it on top. You can really customize however you like it on top. I like to add just some scallions on there. I also like little bits of sriracha for some extra levels of heat in there, and they add some great color as well. I also like to top it with a sprinkle of black and white sesame seeds, and bam, there you go. That is how you make a super flavorful, super delicious mushroom miso soup with grilled bok choy. It's a mouthful to say. There's literally one thing to do. Let's just give it a try. All right, let's get a little bit of everything in there. All right, here we go, and let's give it a try. It is seriously incredible how much flavor you're able to get into this soup in under an hour. You have the mushrooms, you have the miso, you have the sriracha we added on top, you have the mirin, you have the soy sauce. It just all comes together into a literal meal in a bowl. You have protein from the chicken, you have veggies from the bok choy, you have the mushrooms, you have the broth. It is a meal in the bowl. Guys, this is delicious. If you guys want the recipe, the link is down below. Be sure to share this video with your friends and share it with your mom. She'll thank you, I promise. And comment down below what is your favorite type of soup. I would love to hear. Hit that like if you enjoyed watching and hit that big red subscribe button to be the first to know when I post new videos. All right, if you need me, I'm gonna devour the rest of the soup.